Our planet is modernizing day by day, and things are changing over time. This means that many things are being innovated. That is, we want to present a project to you, with which we can see a great change to our plan had since it includes many topics to be developed, as it is the specific heat and the change in temperature, since this is a clear example of how these issues are developed. In addition to these solar panels, we will develop it is made from recycled materials to do pull out our planet Earth. That is why we assembled two solar panels with the same materials but different techniques. And we will also demonstrate their operation and check these procedures, and also put into practice our knowledge on the topics in the field of physics. Solar panel 1. Materials: 6 1-liter plastic bottles, 1 matte black spray paint, 1 cardboard box, cellophane paper 2 sheets, preferably transparent, aluminum foil a full tube, tape or glue, preferably tape, water. Procedure 1. Make sure the bottles are clean, otherwise rinse with soap and water and let dry in the sun. 2. Paint the bottles completely black with the spray paint and let it dry. 3. Shape the cardboard box to the round shapes of the bottles. 4. Cover the cardboard with the aluminum foil. Use the tape or glue and make sure that it's well glued and stretched. 5. Fill the bottles up to 3/4 of their capacity, then measure their temperature. 6. Cover the bottles with cellophane paper. Secure it with the tape to the cardboard. 7. Then put the box towards the sun, incline it about 45 degrees. 8. Finally wait for 2 to 5 hours. Materials: second panel, 4 plastic bottles of 1 liter, bottle 1.5 liters, 1 matte black spray paint, 1 cardboard box, aluminum foil a full tube, tape or glue, preferably tape, water, hose 3/8 6.4 meters, tubes and silicone gun, plastic coping 3/4, male, range 3/4 of plastic, plastoloca, drill, 5 liters carafe. Procedure panel 2. 1. The 5 bottles of 1 and 1.5 liters are completely washed and left to dry. 2. Paint each bottle with black spray. 3. Make 3/8 holes in each container. 1 liter bottle, a hole in the pass below on the top of the bottle. 5 liter carafe. 4 holes in the lower front part of the carafe. 1.5 liters bottle. 4 holes in the bottom of the bottle. 4. Cut the hose 4 of 60 centimeters and 4 of 1 meter. 5. Glue the 1 meter hose to the carafe in 4 holes and join the other end with the holes at the bottom of the 1 liter bottle. 6. Join the part of the cobble with the mouth of the 1.5 liter bottles and the 3/4 PVC case and seal the mouth with the coping using plastiloca. 7. Glue 1 60 centimeters hose to the lids and join it with the part below the 1.5 liter bottle with the previously made branch connection. 8. Place part using gravity by placing the parts of the car face with the highest part, in the middle of the base with the 1 liter bottles, and finally in the lower part the 1 liter bottle with the kale. Calculation. Solar panel 2. Initial temperature 25 degrees Celsius. Final temperature 35.2 degrees Celsius. Liters of water used 4.5 liters. Specific heat 1 calorie degree Celsius.
This project was very helpful to understand or calculate what refers the topics we say during the first unit. Like what says in the project, there was a lot of support from each of the partners as each one contributed ideas which were very helpful to create the project of a solar panel. Doing this project also helping us raise awareness of the saving light and not waste in the big cause there are many ways to help improve on the environment because there are really too many people who don't know save it and only debating the when we really need. So think it's a very good option to save heat on electricity. Not only we rely on the saving, lights both also helpful to have various things that will help us in our day to day.
This project was very interesting and collaborative because it died with our own language and purpose. We were choosing some paints and methods to do a Go solar panel. The first solar panel was more simple, while the second is more complex but had a minimal result. Litigate idioms have at times to improve every project. It's a little complicated work with a large distance. But for a finite moment we need to do the project. We bought material to do the solar panel to it work the different to the flush. But panels were created with recycled material to help to the planet. We do videos in Spanish and English to present and practice the two language. Finally, we want the people are more and their own credit solar to use every day and say natural reasons.
As a conclusion of this project, I can say that we put in place the previous knowledge of physics. I feel very comfortable with my team as we got to know each other, contribute ideas, and create the designs for the two heaters. I feel that I live use learning many things since we generate a beneficial impact of the planet, since the materials we use are recycled and we also save with light. Regarding the two prototypes, the cement were novel and functionality.
I really liked this project since it was something out of the ordinary we put into practice in collaboration with my colleagues and we created two solar panels. The second was more effective to my taste, but the first was easier to develop. I also like it that we tackle the planet topics and put them to the test.
In conclusion, I can say that this project taught me skills that I did not know. I had to demonstrate the knowledge of physics that was seen in this partial. That you can do too much with recyclable materials and not spend too much money. It was a project which I learned too much and I had too much fun with my colleagues and contributing ideas and working as a team together.
In conclusion, I believe that this project will help people to reflect a little on what can be created with the recyclable materials at home, thus helping our planet and doing a little manual work, saving a little light, gas when heating water in this way. Observe how a lot is generated with little, using things as natural as the sun and the bottles of water, juice, soda that you had. And thanks to this project, we were able to put into practice our previous knowledge, as well as our collaboration and all ways of how to create two solar panels, since the prototypes were made and thought by ourselves, taking into account their operation and endurance capacity.